Welcome back to the Travel Foundation course. We're now on lesson 16. I'm your host, Zafarminhas. Today, we move from theory to real practice. We'll work on IATA Fare Construction exercises. Fasten your seatbelts. Let's calculate real airline fares from Karachi to Europe. Exercise 1. We'll start simple. A one-way ticket from Karachi to London via Dubai. Our base fare is in neutral units of construction, or NUC. The amount is $850.
There are no surcharges. Our ticketed point mileage stays under the maximum permitted mileage limit.
Now we multiply this base fare by our IROE, that is 280. That gives us a local currency fare of 238,000 Pakistani rupees. Exercise 2 is a return journey. Outbound to London, inbound back to Karachi. Transit through Dubai. We calculate the outbound half of the round trip. It comes to exactly 800 NUC.
There are no surcharges. Our ticketed point mileage stays under the maximum permitted mileage limit.
Now we multiply this base fare by our IROE, that is 280. Then we multiply by 280. That gives us 224,000 PKR for the outbound leg. We calculate the inbound half of the round trip. It comes to exactly 800 NUC. Now we multiply this base fare by our IROE, that is 280. There are no surcharges here either. Our ticketed point mileage stays under the maximum permitted mileage limit. Then we multiply by 280. That gives us 224,000 PKR for the inbound leg. Now we add them together. Our total constructed local selling fare is 448,000 Pakistani rupees. Exercise 3 introduces the Backhaul Check. It's a routing from Karachi to Frankfurt via Dubai and London. Notice how Frankfurt is back toward the origin after London. This is what we call a backhaul situation. The published one-way fares are Karachi to Frankfurt, 750 NUC, Karachi to London, 800 NUC. According to the rule, the fare to the final destination must not be less than the fare to an intermediate point. In this case, 750 is less than 800. The Frankfurt fare is adjusted upward from 750 to 800 NUC.
Next, we verify the mileage. The ticketed point mileage is within the maximum permitted mileage, therefore, no excess surcharge applies.
Finally, we convert to local currency. 800 NUC multiplied by the IROE of 280 equals 224,000 Pakistani rupees. The backhaul check prevents undercutting. Frankfurt's fare was raised to match London's level. This keeps the fare construction logical and consistent. This exercise shows the higher intermediate point rule. It's a journey from Karachi to London with a stopover in Dubai and Frankfurt. The base fare from Karachi to London is 850 NUC. The ticketed point mileage is 4,156. The maximum permitted mileage is 5,121. No surcharge applies here. Because there's a stopover in Dubai, we check the higher intermediate point. The Dubai to London fare is 950 NUC. That's higher than the proportional Karachi to London fare. So the fare is adjusted upward by 100 NUC, making the total 950 NUC. Multiply by an IROE of 280. This equals 266,000 Pakistani rupees. To recap, the higher intermediate point rule makes sure stopovers don't undercut fares. Here, Dubai's fare raised the total to 950 NUC. It's fully compliant.
Exercise 5 demonstrates the circle trip minimum check, a journey from Karachi through Europe and back.
On the outbound sector, the half round-trip fare to Paris is 750 NUC. However, London is the higher intermediate point, so the fare is raised to 800 NUC. The ticket point mileage is 4,376 compared to the maximum permitted mileage of 4,893. No surcharge applies here. On the inbound sector, From Paris to Karachi via London, the half round-trip fare is 750 NUC. The ticketed point mileage is 4,145 compared to the maximum permitted mileage of 4,893. No surcharge applies here. When we add the outbound and inbound, the total is 1550 NUC, which is 50 NUC short of the required 1600.
To meet the circle trip minimum, 50 NUC is added, making the final constructed fare 1600 NUC.
When converted at an IROE of 280, the total comes to 448,000 Pakistani rupees.
To recap, the circle trip minimum ensures the fare is not less than twice the highest half round trip.
With this adjustment, the total reaches 1600 NUC, making it fully compliant.
Exercise 6 demonstrates the extra mileage surcharge, a journey from Karachi to Barcelona with multiple detours.
The base fare from Karachi to Barcelona is 750 NUC.
The ticketed point mileage is 6,165, while the maximum permitted mileage is 4,930.
TPM divided by MPM, that's a ratio of 1.250. Since the ratio is greater than 1.25, the 25% extra mileage surcharge applies. When we add the surcharge, the total constructed fare rises to 937.50 NUC. When converted at an IROE of 280, the total comes to 262,500 Pakistani rupees.
To recap, the extra mileage surcharge ensures long detours don't undercut the fare.
Here, the surcharge raised the total to 937.50 NUC, fully compliant. Exercise 7 covers the extra mileage allowance, routing from Islamabad through Karachi and continuing onward to Europe. The base fare from Islamabad to Amsterdam is 750 NUC. The ticketed point mileage is 4,995, slightly higher than the maximum permitted mileage of 4,904. Because this routing includes Islamabad and Karachi, an extra mileage allowance of 700 applies. With this allowance, the TPM falls within limits. Since the TPM is less than MPM plus EMA, no excess mileage surcharge is applied. The constructed fare remains 750 NUC. Converted at the IROE of 280. That's 210,000 Pakistani rupees. To recap, the extra mileage allowance recognizes specific routings. Here, the allowance kept the fare valid at 750 NUC. No excess mileage surcharge is applied. You now understand practical IATA fare construction. Keep practicing real scenarios to build speed and accuracy. So that concludes this lesson on IATA fare construction. Make sure you subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss the next one.